The electrical system of your rig or facility is the backbone that keeps you in business. Failure of a motor, drive, or other system can damage other equipment and your reputation if it affects your ability to deliver your product or service. R&J Technical Services watches out for you by providing installation, repair, and maintenance for all of your electrical equipment on oil and gas rigs, in factories and manufacturing facilities, warehousing, and any other commercial building. Customers from Chevron Exploration to FedEx to Questar entrust R&J Technical Services to keep the power on. If you need service on your rig or electrical equipment, call us today for a no-obligation consultation.